Hey there, welcome to Cars in Detail. So this week what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try and clean up the inside of this where the mats were of all the yuck from the winter. It's pretty gross. So we're going to give it our best try though. So what you can see here is you can see the insides of the mats from the Odyssey, and they are pretty gross. They are completely covered in salt and winter grime, and I am hoping to make them look brand new again. So first thing we're going to try is we're going to give it a good rinse with the pressure washer and hope that that takes off a good chunk of it. Now for those of you at home who may not have some of the chemicals that I'm going to be using today, that's okay. Just give it a good rinse and maybe a little soap and water and elbow grease. That'll probably make them about 90% better, but we're going to make them look brand new. Now you can see that just rinsing them off has made them a whole lot better. And could you just call it good enough? Yeah, probably. But what we're going to do is we're going to use some chemicals and we're going to make them look brand new. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to use a little Koch Chemie Green Star, a little bit of elbow grease, and try and get these cleaned up. Now you can see that everything has gotten much, much cleaner. Is it perfect? No. But is it 1,000 times better? Yeah. And what we're going to do next is the dressing part. Now for those of you at home who don't maybe have fancy chemicals or a pressure washer or whatever, no biggie. A little Dawn dish soap or Spray 9 or Simple Green, anything like that will get these things a lot cleaner. So we already used the Koch Chemie Green Star to get things cleaned up. Now we're going to use the Gummifix to make them look new. Okay, here we go. So now we're all done. Everything looks brand new, as you can see. Hey there, I'm back inside and where it's air conditioned, and thankfully I am no longer sneezing and sniffling as badly as I was. Hope you enjoyed that short video today. I just wanted to show you guys that it's really not that difficult to clean up your mats from the winter, and I know it's already May, but it was a little bit overdue for myself. Next time we're gonna maybe take a look at the outside of the van and maybe get that all cleaned up as well. Thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.